Cloud Engineer Roadmap. Today, we're going to explore the journey to becoming a cloud engineer. Let's dive in and discover the steps you need to take to embark on this exciting career path. Welcome to the Cloud Engineer Roadmap video. In this video, we will guide you through the essential skills and knowledge you need to become a successful cloud engineer. Let's dive in and explore the roadmap to a rewarding career in cloud computing. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey with us? Cloud engineers are professionals responsible for implementing and managing cloud services and infrastructure. They design, build, and maintain cloud-based solutions to meet business needs. Working with various cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, they play a crucial role in modern IT operations. As you embark on the Cloud Engineer Roadmap, you will first establish a strong educational foundation over the course of 4 years. During this time, gaining entry-level IT experience for 1 to 3 years will be crucial. In the second year, focus on learning cloud computing fundamentals to build a solid understanding of the core concepts. In Step 1, as you embark on the journey to become a cloud engineer, you will need to lay a strong educational foundation. Pursue a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. Focus on relevant courses in networking, databases, programming, and system administration to build a solid knowledge base. This duration may differ in every foundation course, from 0 to 4 years. In the second step, begin your career in IT support or help desk positions to build foundational IT skills. You will get IT operation job without any experience, very easily and quickly. Your job experience is starting in this step, and you can start your cloud journey from this stage. Gain more experience in managing and maintaining servers and networks to learn strong system administration and networking. Step 3 is learning cloud computing fundamentals. This can you do in year 2. Enroll in cloud computing online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning, or from any classroom training. Join cloud computing online forums and communities for peer learning and networking. Try to solve others' problems or watch how others' suggestions about solutions of problem. It will help to understand root causes of problems and improve your problem-solving methodology. Of course, it will boost your knowledge and build a strong base. As you progress along the Cloud Engineer Roadmap, you'll reach the pivotal step of choosing a cloud provider in year 2. This decision involves selecting a major provider such as AWS, Oracle Cloud, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. By focusing on one of these major providers, you can gain a deeper foundation knowledge. Utilize official documentation, tutorials, and training materials from your chosen provider to earn more knowledge about the target cloud provider features. As you progress along the Cloud Engineer Roadmap, you will need to obtain certifications to validate your skills and knowledge. In year 3, focus on obtaining entry-level certifications such as AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner or Azure Fundamentals to establish a strong foundation. As you gain experience and expertise, consider advancing to more specialized certifications like AWS Solutions Architect or Google Professional Cloud Architect to demonstrate your proficiency in cloud computing. As you progress through the Cloud Engineer Roadmap, gaining practical experience becomes crucial. Step 6 involves working on hands-on projects where you can apply your knowledge to real-world cloud scenarios. Utilize free tiers or trial accounts from various cloud providers to access resources and gain valuable experience. Additionally, participating in online labs and simulations will help you develop practical skills in a controlled environment. Engage with online communities to find opportunities for these practical experiences. Now, let's focus on developing programming and scripting skills. You will need to learn programming languages commonly used in cloud engineering, such as Python, Java, or Go. Additionally, developing skills in scripting languages like Bash, PowerShell, or Perl will be essential for automating cloud tasks. These skills will be crucial as you progress along the Cloud Engineer Roadmap. Now, let's delve into mastering cloud security. In years 3 to 5 of the Cloud Engineer Roadmap, it's crucial to focus on security fundamentals. Understand cloud security principles, including data encryption, identity and access management, IAM, and compliance. Consider obtaining cloud security certifications like AWS Certified Security Specialty or Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP. These certifications will enhance your expertise and credibility in cloud security, making you a valuable asset in the field of cloud engineering. Now, let's dive into the Cloud Engineer Roadmap. In the first few years, focus on building your educational foundation and gaining entry-level IT experience. By year 2, start learning cloud computing fundamentals. As you progress into years 3 to 5, it's essential to learn about continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI and CD, tools and practices. Additionally, get hands-on experience with infrastructure as code, IAC, tools like Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, or Azure Resource Manager. These skills will be crucial as you advance in your cloud engineering career. As cloud engineers, you need to continuously learn about new technologies, updates, and best practices in cloud computing. This will help you stay ahead in the rapidly evolving field of cloud engineering. Additionally, attending conferences, webinars, and meetups is crucial for networking with other professionals and staying informed about industry developments. By staying updated with industry trends, you can ensure that your skills and knowledge remain relevant and valuable in the ever-changing landscape of cloud engineering. As you progress through the Cloud Engineer Roadmap, it's crucial to build a strong resume and portfolio showcasing your skills, certifications, and projects. This will help you stand out to potential employers and demonstrate your expertise in cloud engineering. Additionally, start applying for cloud engineer positions, beginning with entry-level roles and gradually moving up to more advanced positions as you gain experience. This hands-on experience will further solidify your knowledge and skills in cloud engineering. As you progress along the Cloud Engineer Roadmap, it's important to continue obtaining advanced certifications and specialize in areas like cloud security, DevOps, or data engineering. This will help you stay competitive and expand your expertise. Additionally, seek opportunities for professional growth, such as mentoring, contributing to open-source projects, or pursuing advanced degrees. Continuous professional development is key to staying at the forefront of the industry. As you progress through the Cloud Engineer Roadmap, you will build a successful career in cloud engineering. You'll start by establishing a strong educational foundation over the first 4 years. During this time, gaining entry-level IT experience and learning cloud computing fundamentals will be crucial. These experiences will pave the way for your advancement into more advanced positions and specialized expertise in the field. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on career path, roadmap about software developer, DevOps engineer, cloud computing, career guidance, tech industry insights, and software development tips. Thanks for watching.